Clinics on Wheels were designed with what we call an elastic grid. So all of the power that is installed on the clinics, which is solar, or by a generator, is shared between the 3 individual clinics in this case, or as many as you put together. What the elastic grid does is it allows us to add or subtract clinical units without compromising the capacity of power that powers all of the sensitive medical equipment. And because these all run off of 10 kW battery packs, they always have a backup system, and the wave of electrical current is always adequate for sensitive medical equipment. The other thing is, you'll notice with our Clinics on Wheels, they're wheelchair accessible. These are wheelchair ramps so that even in the worst environments, you can still support all the types of patients who may come to the clinic.